How to quickly place an object exactly on surface of another object without moving it manually. Solution. Select the object, select Place Tool by Shift C and typing its name, or select it from Tool menu or from left hand side. Grab the object and move it on the surface that you want to place it. Now you can tweak the position with Move Tool, shortcut E, and Rotation with Rotation Tool, shortcut R, a little bit if needed. Points. On Place Tool, the ring is for rotating object and the small cube at center is for scale. To move object, make sure not to grab these two. If the object is moving on wrong surface, make sure to select the right axis in the attribute of Place Tool.